rear end hops and skips during aggressive corner entries, lack of wheel control that causes poor traction over bumps, and bike runs wide in corners. Well friends, that is what happens if you do not adjust the suspension rebound settings correctly. So please, I'm begging you, do not be that person. Once again in the Suspension Workshop series, where today we will be discussing about suspension adjustable rebound. Well see, y'all might have heard phrases like bro, there's too much of a rebound setting, or dude, better check your rebound. But do we actually know what it means? Let's take a look. After setting the correct preload according to your weight for adjustment rebound settings, first, turn the rebound adjusters fully clockwise. Then release the adjuster slowly anti-clockwise click by click until you get the suitable rebound damping that suits your weight and riding style. Note that avoid from setting too much on the rebound damping that will cause the rebound to be sluggish. What do I mean by sluggish? Here is an example. For example, there are two consecutive bumps which are near each other. If the rebound is too much, after the first bump to the second, the springs will still be in a compressed mode, making the monoshock or suspension unsteady. Here, I have found a rebound damping that suits my weight and style of riding. There is no definite formula for setting the rebound. Just remember, if it's too stiff, add the rebound by turning the adjusters anti-clockwise. And if there's too much rebound, stiffen it by turning the adjusters clockwise. Once you have found the optimum rebound damping for your bike, we encourage you to test it safely on the road in a controlled environment. Well, there you go, a test not too complicated or difficult to do, but certainly improves your daily riding. And next we have the final piece of the suspension puzzle, which is compression, to wrap things up. Last but not least, don't forget to press the like button, share it with your friends and smash the subscribe button. I'll see you around.